The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition has recently launched in South Korea, marking the first time Samsung's Fold series has featured more than one model in a single generation. According to a new report from GalaxyClub, this trend is likely to continue with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Insiders have revealed that Samsung is working on two variants of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, identified by their codenames. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is reportedly codenamed B7, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 goes by Q7. Additionally, a third codename, Q7M, has been uncovered. Sources suggest that Q7M is being developed almost in tandem with Q7, ruling out the possibility of an entirely new foldable being introduced in early 2025. Today, I'm going to share everything I know about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, its specs, features, and possible price. So let's get started. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 is set to revolutionize foldable displays with its impressive 7.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED foldable screen. Samsung is tackling one of the biggest challenges in foldable tech by eliminating the center crease, ensuring a smooth and seamless viewing experience. Adding to its functionality is the 6.4-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED cover screen. Designed with a wider form factor than its predecessors, this secondary display is perfect for quick tasks and notifications when the phone is folded. Samsung is bringing significant advancements to its camera technology with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. The device is set to feature under-panel 4-megapixel cameras on both the main and cover displays, providing uninterrupted full-screen experiences for a truly immersive viewing. The rear camera setup is equally impressive. There will be a 50-megapixel primary camera along with a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, setting a new standard for performance. With this powerful chipset, users can look forward to smoother multitasking, enhanced gaming graphics, and improved battery efficiency. The chip's advanced AI capabilities further enhance the overall experience, boosting everything from photography to voice assistance for a smarter, faster, and more intuitive device. Leaks suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will have 12 or 16 gigabytes of RAM for handling multitasking and intensive applications effortlessly. For storage, users can choose configurations up to 1 terabyte of UFS 4.1, offering blazing fast read and write speeds for seamless access to apps, media, and files. Leaks also suggest that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will be equipped with a 4,500 mAh battery, designed to provide all-day usage on a single charge. Additionally, Samsung is rumored to have improved its fast-charging technology, allowing users to spend less time tethered to a charger and more time enjoying their device. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to retain the familiar design of its predecessor while introducing subtle yet impactful refinements. Reports indicate that the device will feature slightly wider displays, improving usability and delivering a more ergonomic experience. Additionally, the rear camera lenses will sit flush with the panel, offering a sleek and modern aesthetic. This thoughtful combination of design and functionality is anticipated to attract both professionals and tech enthusiasts. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be priced at around $1,900, reflecting its position as a premium device. It is expected to be launched in July 2025, and there might be multiple variants of the Fold 7, which might be the rumored Q7M model, expanding the options for foldable enthusiasts. We will share more information about the Q7M model in another video. Subscribe to my channel for future updates. Hit the like button if you like my content, and don't forget to share with your tech lover friends. Comment down below what you think about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7.